Good evening. In our news bulletin for tonight, wahaukoe whalata whakakuanga ke lata e mo I te whai whiri motu ke whakamalolo e lotula tau whipirianga. A lay judge's decision-making training was how to help Niue judiciary. Takolong te tangata ni ko tolo atu ai ki makifu ke lata mai aho whakatata he maanga. Over the weekend, people gathered at Makefu to support the village show. Wa kauwhata he tau kui ki he tau whahi whakawhiri haniwe ki he tau whakakuanga ne whakahoko ai ki he USB I Paliansi. Ko tau whakakuanga ne whakahoko ai ki he whai aho mo e kua whakatupe mai he Judicial Pacific Participation Fund. Toko e pulotu ne hohoko mai ki langmatai atu ai ki tau whakakuanga ne. Ko laua ni ko whai mga hoi ngā huai ma langmatai atu ki tau whahi tau whakawhirianga I New Zealand I pia whoki ni mai atu Pasifika. Whakatutala mo ia ki he takitaki ki he whahi ngā hua whakawhiri mai fofo kelekele ki he kakano he tau whakakuanga pia whoki mai tau puhala ngā hua.
Ki koe kakano lahi ki kisikisi ki he tau puhala ngā hua lau tolo tui whawhiri ki he whahi criminal division ki he whahi kolokolo wau whatalau whaniwe. Hanga uia ki he lau tolo tau puhala ngā hua kai mua te ki he mana nei ni ngā ko decision making. Kise I ki tau whakaholoanga ki loto whakawhirianga ki he ngā hoa lau tolo ni kua whamori ki he tau hotaki po nakai whamori pia whoki ki tau wala ne tau sose tau whiwhirianga ki lata mai tau hotaki po ki tau whakahala ki lata mai tau hotaki si hai ai whoki taha wala he whakakuanga ki lata mai tau komisine ke whahi kere kai to hai ai whoki kisianga mo tolu ke whai whakakuanga whoki lata mo lau tolu ki tau mga hoi mua. Koe anganga ke maua e taha mena ke whakafua ki tau puhala ngā hua po ke whakalaulahi ki tau mena no koe loai ki tau mata whakatu whono. Koe hai whai puhala ke whaonga te mata whakatu whono e ki tau si tu whiwhirianga lau tolu ki lata whakawhirianga. Si koe mena lahi e koe nono koe hingoi puhala ke whakalaulahi ke tau mena lau tolu ni loa mo te puhala ke whakangahua ke tau mena ni koa lata mai tau mata whakatu whono. Pia whoki mai tau puhala tunga e tau whiwhirianga mo tau whakahala ki lata mo tau hotaki tau whanga wahenga mena pihia kai mahuinga lahi kia lau tolu nei si whakawea kia lau tolu ko mai ke tuku mai tau maho kia umai ke whakakwa.
Tala hau whoki tahe te pulotu ko e naka puni ko e kakano ni mahuinga I whoki tau whakakuanga ni. Hawe whala tu tangata ni ko tofa ke whakawhiri nā kai ko e tau loia lau tolu si ko lata ke māma hukuro e te mata whakatwhono ko te puhala nei ke whakamukamuka whoki e whakamāmahanga te puhala ngā hua. Koe taha nei he tau puhala nei kua langmatai ke whakalaula he tau loto matala mai tau katawhanga nei. Si hai e whoki e whalua tau whakatokanga e whakatwhono nei kua whakatupe whalua tau whakakuanga ke lata whoki mo lau tolu e whai whakawhiri.
E tonga e ke hea tau tolu whakawhirianga I loa e lau lahi tau tolu. Nā eini ko e tau ik whawhiri e tau wala e tau tangata puko lau tolu ni kua lauia ke he whawhirianga. Hai ai whoki e whahi leo leo, hai ai whoki e tau tangata totoko pu tau tangata langmatai, tunga tau loea. Hai ai whoki e whalua mau tolu ni ngā hua ke whawhirianga. Si koe anganga he whakakuanga ke mau e lau lahia e māmanga ke tau puhala ke whakaholo ki mua. Pu ke whakalau lahi e tau ngā hua ma tau māmanga ke holomita ke tau whakatakanga he whawhirianga lahi a niwe. Koe menei ane kua putu ia ka koe whakakuanga nei. Whakamahino ki a lau tolu I tau I whawhiri. Kai nā kai pā lau tolu. Si koe menei ane kua uina I ke maua e anga e kauwhakataha mo e māma ke tau whakaharoanga. Koe menei ane kua putu ia whuke lau tolu ke whakakuanga nei. Manaki nei ke whakawai lahi ke he matakau JPPF, si pia whoki ko loa nei ko Sir Ron Young mo Mr. Enoka Puni. Pia whoki ke he whakatawhanu ni we mo e aunga nei ko USP ko mai ke kauwhalataha mo e omoia I ke tau whakakuanga nei. Pia whoki ke Hamautula Director General mo e Minister ne kua mai ke omoi mo e laumatai mai ke whamalolo ke tau ke whakahoho ke tau whangamahenga mana pihi nei. Si a mamna keo na kai ni koe nei, kai a mamna ki whoki ke whai ki tō mahui mua.
Pesi ni koe laula he tau whakakuanga ke lata mo tōle tau iki whakapiri, kua kau whakataha I whoki whalua tau tangata mahe whahinga hua leo leo, tō tangata tō toko po ke langmatai atu, pia whoki mo tōle ki whahi whakawhiri. Ki tatai e tau māmaanga moi muitua atua i ki he tau talahuang ki loto he tau matawhakatwhonu. Mahuinga ki māma mitaki e tau palangahua, ke whakangahua i e tau matawhakatwhonu, ke tau whiwhirianga kua tūnu mai hako. The Niue's judiciary are in a 4-day workshop at the Niue USB Centre at Paliasi for lay judges' decision formulation. The workshop is funded through the Judicial Pacific Participation Fund, that is a professional development initiative supported by the New Zealand Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade and the Ministry of Justice. According to one of the workshop facilitators, it is important for the judiciary to understand their roles, especially in decision making.
The main purpose of the training, one has got to appreciate that the judicial officers for Niue are lay people. They are people that did not have a previously legal training like lawyers becoming judges. However, the lay judicial officers, the commissioners and the justices of the peace, have got to administer the same legal principles and procedure as the expatriate judges. And so the course, as it has been for a number of years, is to give the commissioners and the justices of the peace that understanding of their roles as judges and how to perform their roles.
Two regional experts have been brought on board to facilitate the activities for the judicial officers and court officers, and it focuses on a range of topics, resources and practical experience.
Yesterday we did an overall for all the lay judicial officers, because some of them only sit in the land division of the High Court and others sit in the criminal and civil. So yesterday is what is common to all of them as judicial officers. Today and tomorrow we are focusing on the primary role of judges or judicial officers, and that is to hear cases and make decisions. So the focus for today and tomorrow is for the justices and commissioners on the criminal division of the court to know how to properly structure decisions and what must go into decisions in terms of the law and the facts and the applications of those, to ensure that when people come to the court and have their matters decided, that they understand what the court is saying with regards to the decisions made.
Participants in this workshop have been drawn from representatives from the Justice Department, Crown Law Office, legal councils and other judicial officers to increase their capacity to act according to their roles and responsibilities.
When someone takes on a new job, they don't become 100% proficient and competence in doing that. It's a journey. And so there are new judicial officers, and this is the first journey for them. So what we hope to achieve at the end is that they will have a good awareness, a good understanding of how the court works and their roles and their functions within the courts. How often the training necessary? Well, as necessary as the need is there. So we will consider coming back.
Another major development this year has been the support provided for judicial staff to take up courses at the University of the South Pacific to gain a formal certificate and increase capacity to interpret law. This will add value to the ongoing capacity building to strengthen the newer judicial system. A strong and independent judiciary in the Pacific enhances its reputation as a stable, high-quality legal environment for citizens and businesses. Kwa seise ke osi e tau sivianga he tau kaina ni whakamutapatu e whahi malolo sino, ai ki sia whala tau hiki kianga ke tau nei. Koe whakaholoanga nei fuki ni kupuhala te tau manako ke lata mo utake hianga he tau nonowhanga he tau namu. Ko whai mga aho nā kai whai kiskaina, kai iloa kua ngahua, whalataha mo i tau whono taktak maanga, ke moua e matuta kianga fuki mo i tau tangata.
Koe matakau kiskaina ke he tau nei, o awhi me hong whumawaru nei, koe hiwa e whahinga hua ni kua kau whalataha ke lata mo i whakaholoanga kiskaina he motu. So koe naona whakamahino ni ke he whalua tau whakaholoanga ngā hua, ni kua langamatai atu alau tōru ki ei. I lalo hifo he alau tōru atau whahinga hua ni ngā hua alau tōru haki ei, ke langamatai ke te whakaholanga ia se koe. I ngā sia ni e whahinga hua mo he alau tōru tau mena, ni kua naona whakamahino atu ki ei he mga aho ka tau si whakaholoanga kiskaina tunga ia e tau sepetiki, koe tau tūlawa i inu, koe tau pāpuaka, o naona fuki ke tau akau whafokaina, ni ngā mai ke hako naona atu ke mga aho nei, kua lalahi fuki te i tau akau, mo kua holo atu fuki te he whalua kaina fuki. So ke mga whakapāga ne tamai tau akau nei ke he motu, ko mena tamai ke lata mo tau whisi la akau he tau mamatu whini. So kua whai ana anga fuki ni e matakau kiskaina ke herewe ki anga he tau tupuna, ke mga aho nei hako whai whakaloanga e whakatuwhano ni kua manako ke tause, ke ono ke he tau mena ni kua maeke he whakatuwhano ke langamatai, ke whakahangahang mita ki e tau mamui malolo sinu he tau tupuna, ki loto he alau tōra tau loto kaina.
Nā kai koe mena fōwe kiskaina, kai hai i whalo tau mana tutupe he whalo tangata, ha koe tau tāla ni kua longo ana kua ua te fōki ke kiski loto he loto kaina. Ne whakamāmai e Griselda e tau puhalanga hua halu tōru mo e whakahako fōki e tau tāla nei.
Kai mātōla whakaloanga e oviko ni i whafo he loto kaina he tangata. Mo e nā kai huhu atu ki loto he tau loto kaina, po ke tau kaina no nofu halau tōru. Koe lau tōru ni koe tau tupuna, na koe whita he whai whakaloanga mai he whakatuwhano, ke he tau whare koko, mo tau whare tasi. Pia whoki ni mo i whalo tau whakaloanga ki langamatai ki halau tōla tau tua whare, po ke tau whare kai, ke maho ni ka hoko tu whalo au whisanga hua, ke kisia halau tōla tau whakaloanga ia. Mo e whai ahi whoki ni ke he tau tupuna ni ono fumalima tau ki lunga, ne kua no nofta ki toka taha lau tōru mga nei, me nā kai whai whānau ni kua haha ke he motu, ke re wiki atu ki lau tōru, pia whoki ni mo tau taki toko ua, ne nā kai whai whānau whoki. Haka ono noanga, ko hingoa e tau mena ni kua maike ke langamatai atu, ke whakahangahang mi taki aki, halau tōru atau mamui malolo sino, ki loto he tau loto kaina. Kai nā kai o atu ki he tau kaina usi, ka hake o atu ki loto, ke sia e tau whare no nofu e tau tangata.
Koe tāmatanga hua ni kua lalafi atu bai ke tau nei koe sivianga he tau pisinisi po ke tau whale whakafua kai ke tau tangata, whakamāma mai fuke, whai magusio ni tau kakano ni kua tau seipi nei.
Tō tua tua e whakalohanga sivi ki te whakaloha tau tōre mga honei, hako taha te tau ni kua Māori ki tua, si nā kai whai tau se ange whainga hua, hako tau whakawanga ke. Ne kua lango ki lunga ke whainga hua pupui ngā ngau sa kanona te mga honei, linga muka ke tau se o loa ni he tahe mga aho. Ka koe te ofisanga hua ni he whainga hua pupui, ka watu ke sivi e te o whare koloa, pia whoki ni me te whare kai, po ke ha whale ni ka ne kua salad o inu me te mena kai ke he mga aho nei, ke o loa ni mo e whakaloanga kiskaina si o si langa tahe ni he mga aho ka whakatoa o si te whakaloanga nei.
Koe kiskaina he whai tapu nei hoku atu e ke maango tamkotonga, pia whuki mo aluwhita ke lau, ke hatu loto, tō mātuta ki atu ke wholu maanga ni toi, a minat ke whakatoa mo hiki tawake ke aho 5 ia iuni. Island-wide household inspections are nearly completed, but there have been a few changes this year. The program that is led by the Public Health Division normally focuses on vector control, but this time other government agencies have joined as part of scoping and assessment for other projects and services.
Last inspection we did was in 2012, and it has taken us that long until we have all decided that it's time that we reactivate the Village Health Inspection Program, and to also include all the other departments who has programs or activities that they would need to also complete in each of the villages. So I guess this is an opportunity that they have decided to take up. Since we are going to be out there, they would also want to join us to also complete their little programs for the community. So that's supposed to when we finish the inspections, they will go back and do their own. So, you know, there are a lot of activities actually going on in the communities, and the last thing we would want is to keep nagging at the communities to get their programs completed. So this is an opportunity where we have been able to combine 9 departments, and each and every department have their own specific areas that they are looking at during the inspections.
This joint approach is necessary for efficient and timely assessments, and the household inspections are not new, but there have been a few concerns raised by some people who want clarification about teams inspecting the interior of their homes. Griselda gave a clarification on this matter.
This inspections alone, we are just looking at the environment, the surrounding environment to the buildings or where the houses are and the residential areas. And the only houses we will be entering for those who has problems with the electricity or the leaking water taps or showers and solar systems, but most specifically for the old people with projects under the project management coordinating unit, because they would need to have a look at it and see if they were done properly and what other areas needs to be improved.
Another addition to this year's inspections is that of the food outlets and premises, held at the same time as the household inspections, which according to Health saves time on resources and it's also efficient.
The food premises outlet inspections is usually done each year. So last year we were not able to complete our inspections, so we decided, because we have a small team of officers, it is only ideal that we combine it with the village inspections while we're out there. So the intention is to do the village inspections, and in addition to that we would also include the food premises inspections and allow the public health officers to also go out and do their clearances as well. So it's also time for all the food handlers to renew their medical clearances for food handling. So we just decided to take up this opportunity and do everything at the same time.
This week, inspections are being held in Tambotonga and Alofi North, while it is expected to conclude with Hitavake on the 5th of June. Taha pene aulu haniwe ni kumoa e mai he taha whetoko langa ki mamafa ne whakahoko ai ki Australia mai ha hong mahiwinga haua fumatahi a Pelila ne moa e Alentano Puliosi e pene nei ke tau whewa langa ki mamafa i Sydney ka kumoa mai la ia e pene he whakawhanu mai e lo tolu ne whakatokatoka tau whewa. Ko tau whewa siwileke moe langa ki mamafa ni taha e tau whewa spot ne kua longa e tau pene ne kumoa ai mai motu mai kua liliu e tau takitake anono ki tau puhala ke whakahologi mua e tau whewa mai whakahoho e tau tangata ki matutaki ai nā kai hoko sea mta kaulanga ki mamafa ki he tau whewa e ki Commonwealth i Mākua Mole ai hane whai anono atu fuki ke whala tau whewa ki heo Pasifika he tau wahi mua. I loa mai fuki kua whamole tahe e takitaki whaugia lata i me mta kaulanga ki mamafa koe weightlifting ko ia ko Narita Biliamu e Plesteni amana ki fuki ke whakawhaua e tau takitaki ke lata mta whewa sivileke bihia ni moe powerlifting. Lesni ko hae fuke tau viuvihu ke tau Mākua Mole, mana ko lutol ke didiu palana mai lori asi hake tau whewa sipote nei, ke mai ke langa ki hingo haniwe. Tahe whitoko he Oceania, mai powerlifting ka whahoko ki Nauru, e mahina te semo he tau nei. 3 sporting codes are looking to bring on board former athletes to take on leadership roles in moving sports development forward. The Niue Bodybuilding, Powerlifting and Weightlifting Federation are looking at some leadership changes within the next few months. Niue Weightlifting has a new president in Narita Viliamu. Niue has received numerous medals in these individual sports, but athlete numbers have fluctuated over the years. More recently, Alentano Puliosi has just received a gold medal for his efforts in the Open Men's 105 kilogram competition at the Sydney Fitness Expo Asia Pacific Invitational Challenge for Powerlifting tournament that was held from the 19th to the 21st of April. The next Oceania Powerlifting Tournament will be held in Nauru in December. The challenge now is to look at ways to generate more interest in weightlifting, powerlifting and bodybuilding to train up for future competitions. Kua takolonga te tangata ne kua tolu atu ai ki makefu ke he lata mo e aha whatata ke hawha iumu e kua mole, koe maanga ko makefu, ne kua whamahani ke whakaulu ai mga hala he tau aha whatata he motu, he tau tau takitaha. Mo e kamata e tau whetoko halu tūru ke he tau nei, mo e tau whiwa orofua niu he tau whiwhine, tā seka ke lata me te tāne, whakakisi ai whoki e tau manatu whakau e hana i takitaki he whono takitaki maanga ko Darren Tohovaka, ke tau mga whaoa tau kapisinga, mo tau tangata ne o whenonga, kua hatuai me langmatai ke halu tūru a tau mahua. Pētini kua mole e taha he tau he nhakai hoko e mamawha ke he whai tapalau he maanga, tū maua ngai ni e hakakau he tangata maanga ke whakatata halu tūru a tau mahua whanua. Me tau nei hiki whakatose whoki e tau whakaloanga he tau mamatu whiwhine, he tau whakaloanga hua lima. Ha kua long e tau lawe lawe, mo e kua whakatata e tau matu whini, tau koloanga hua lima, ni kua mai ki poke manako ki tau se. Mamata te tau tangata ke tau whakaloanga he maanga, hai e whuke tā whiua, ka lata i mta unga, ni kua tau se ni he maanga ko makefu, si hai e whuke tau whiua la langa kato, orfo niu me tā sika. Whakatoa e aho mo e tau whakawhiawhia mai he tau atu hau makefu, he tau kuali me tau long. Over the weekend, the village of Makefu Whalikahoatua was filled with excitement as they opened up the show day season for 2018. Last Saturday was a hot and sunny day, but the community groups came together to pull off a successful show day. Stores were decorated and the theme focused on local produce, and vendors had a wide range of selection of food, drinks and sweets to choose from. According to the village chairperson, Darren Tohovaka, they were thankful for the families, friends and visitors who took the time to support village activities. And even though Makefu missed out in terms of the bulldozer for clearing of plantations for the last 3 years, the village farmers still managed to harvest produce to be displayed on Saturday. Women were encouraged to display their handicraft items that they were capable of completing before the village show day. And this year started with Unga races, followed by tabloid sports, and the day finished off with beautiful performances from the young people and ethnic groups in the village. And those are our news stories that we have for you this evening. Tēnā i tangala tāla galatwe, nei, kera nofua, muninipo.